Buenos días, Vía Láctea. Soy yo, Killua, y os traigo un nuevo tutorial. En este caso, pensado sobre todo para iPhone. Dejaré el vídeo en la descripción. Os recomiendo bastante el canal de este señor, si os ha ocurrido algún problema informático. Bueno, allá vamos. Está en inglés, pero bueno, os traduciré lo importante.
The entire process on finding out exactly the name and identity of who that is. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's open up the phone app here, and you can see at the very top it says,
Vale, esto está pensado solo para iPhone. Hay que abrir
thanks, guys. Now,
llamadas,
let's open up the
el botón
phone app here,
llamadas.
and you can see at the very top it says, no caller ID unknown. So I can tap on the little I next to it, and it doesn't give
Vale, y todas las llamadas que has hecho aparecerán, pero las que sean número desconocido te saldrán que no hay nombre del contacto, te sale una identidad desconocida. Aquí veremos cómo comprobar las identidades desconocidas. ¿Lo veis? No hay ningún número, ni ningún número de teléfono, ni ninguna persona. Está
me any
oculto,
information. It says unknown, no caller ID.
no
If
da
you go back
ninguna
and tap on it,
información.
you'll be able to see it doesn't do anything. It doesn't call them back because essentially they've hidden their phone number
Claro, no puedes llamar de vuelta porque no han mostrado ningún número. El número está oculto.
from me being able to view it. Now, there are two different ways that you'll be able to find out exactly who that caller is. The first way is using a trick that is available for almost all phones, iPhone, Android, as well as carriers, AT&T, Sprint, T-Mobile, whatever. And the code is *69. It says *69 is a code widely available in North America. It allows you to redial the last incoming call that you missed. Now, what you're going to want to do is, as soon as you get that unknown or no caller ID call, you'll just head to your keypad, type in *69.
Vale, ir a el teclado del teléfono y poner hashtag 69. Bueno, aquí hay una cosa que no he explicado. El hashtag 69 es solo en Estados Unidos, en América. Quizá en España o en Latinoamérica sea 67 o 65. Es decir, comprobad el número de vuestro país.
And hit the call button. It will immediately call that number back. And a lot of times, even though it says it is unknown or that phone number is hidden, it will call back the real number. And then you'll be able to see exactly who it is. Just make sure as soon as you hit the call button and it pops up with the number, hit the end button if you don't necessarily want to talk to them. Now, the other way that you can do it is just open button.
Esto se supone que podrás llamar de vuelta al número desconocido.
If you
Pero
don't
esto es solo un método. Ahora veremos el segundo método.
necessarily want to talk to them. Now, the other way that you can do it is just open up the App Store here, and you're just going to search
El segundo método requiere que vayamos a la Play Store o a la Apple Store.
for a caller ID app. On here, there's some options you can see, scroll through here, but this Truecaller is a good one.
La aplicación más recomendada para descargarse es Truecaller, Caller ID Blocker.
You can see
Y
Truecaller
entonces te revelará el número de la llamada desconocida.
caller ID and blocker, and
Te
it says you can
revelará
identify
su
blocked spam
ID.
calls and also find unknown numbers directly on here. Keep in mind, this doesn't work in the past. So if you've gotten an unknown call and then you download this app afterwards, it most likely will not identify who that specific person was.
Ojo, dice que los números de antes de la descarga, de esto, ya han pasado. Es decir, solo podréis identificar las llamadas desconocidas tras haberos descargado esta aplicación. Las de antes quizá no las llegue a revelar.
Caller ID and blocker, and it says you can identify and block spam calls and also find unknown numbers directly on here. Keep in mind, this doesn't work in the past. So if you've gotten an unknown call and then you download this app afterwards, it most likely will not identify who that specific person was or what the phone number is associated with that call. You have to have this app downloaded and installed already onto your phone, and then it will register when you're getting that incoming call exactly who that is. It'll be able to mark it as spam or telemarketing or anything like that against this big.
Y bueno, y te va a revelar si se trata de spam, si se trata de telemarketing,
database
y así te ahorras problemas y sabes de dónde viene el número.
of a bunch of different callers, then you'll be able to identify and understand exactly who keeps calling you. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions.
Bueno, esto ha sido todo. Espero que os haya servido el tutorial. Tened cuidado con las llamadas desconocidas.